edges of the floor, ranging in sizes from 3" then to 4" to the 6". You also then carry our crown moldings, which is then used in the ceiling. So these actually work very well with the PVC ceiling we carry. So we carry in a, this is a PU foam molding itself, and this comes in a range of sizes also. So you will get them from the 4". You get them to your 3", and also get them to a 2.5". Again, this just depends then on the sizes, depends then on the size of the room one and what sort of profile you're looking for. So some persons will like a large profile to give it a nice large finish. Some people like a just a neat profile just to give it a neat finish. So again, it depends then on the profile you're looking for. With the skirting, again, we carry in PVC and also another PU foam molding also. These are very easy to install. They are scratch resistant, water resistant basically, so water will not damage them. So in terms of you doing your mopping and your cleaning and things like that, the water will not affect them. Even if you're mopping, then in terms of leaving that scuff mark, or so if you have the broom or the mop there, it's scuff resistant, so you won't have that effect on it, and it tends to maintain the color, so you won't have to worry about it. They're also paintable too if you need to get that accent color you're looking for, or the original color. They also can be done like that too. The range of moldings then we'll have also then for what we call our jam lining. These ones will go on the interior of the door, so you'll get an 1 and 5/8. You'll get then another size is 2 1/4, or then you'll get then the biggest size, which is like 3.5". So these here can be used then, as I said, around your jam line of the door. They can also be used in your ceiling also, and also be used then on the exterior then around your windows to give you a window frame on the outside. These can also be used for that purpose. They're all PVC products we have here are weather resistant. The sun or the elements don't affect them. There's no termite infestation to it, there's no water rot, as I said. So those are some of the advantages of the PVC. And again, we have everything here to complement them, to go from your ceiling basically to your doors to your skirting, which then use for the floor.